Oh, shit, got all up on my face too.
I just got fucking cummed on by this thing, dude.
Alright, whatever the fuck they were doing in there. So today, I'm gonna wash my car. It's been sitting in the back for a couple weeks now, and Evan from Throttle actually came here yesterday. I'm gonna show you right now. It was on his vlog. He was just like the second person to say it was dusty and too dirty, and it is. Left me a little smiley face. So I was like, alright, fuck it, I've had enough. I'm gonna wash her and clean her up. And I plan on taking her to the body shop pretty soon. I actually think it'll be in the next week or two. Taking her in the body shop, gonna get the wide body kit on, get her painted, and go from there. Hey, you got a what?
I got a
No, dude, you're not supposed to. you actually repeat it, dude. That's what happens after lunch. You guys all get delirious.
I know, that food coma, man.
Just moving the Evo out of the way real quick so that we can push the Rx7 forward and I can wash it like out here. It's been so long I forgot that shit actually turns on and we actually finished the battery location. Damn, this giveaway 350 never gets old. Damn, almost didn't start. She's alive. We'll let her warm up for a little bit. It's been a while. Gio, we need to get your fucking car over here, dude.
Oh, dude. Next week.
Gio, stop playing the fucking tube.
The people want to know.
The people want to know. What car did you get? And is it a fish? Is it official, Ivan? Inside joke, guys. Inside joke.
Dog. Look at that monster right here. That's my baby.
Bro, that fish.
Whatever.
It's so wide, bro.
Oh, I thought you were gonna hump it right now. Time to wash her. I'm gonna show you guys our new detail line. I actually have the soap, the detail spray, the tire dressing. I'm gonna use all of that today to wash the Rx7. So let's get right into it. So this is our new car shampoo for Tokyo Wax. That's all I'm gonna use to wash the car. I gotta pop it in.
Squirt her in, dog. Squirt her. Bro, that's just, bro, come on.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Oh,
That's
should I pour? Oh, more?
Yeah.
Oh, I got more for you, dog.
Bro, I need a whole lot more. I need a full load, bro.
You little slut.
What's up with the aim?
How much more?
Bro, just keep running it, dog.
Let me see how high I can get without. I got shaky hands, dude.
Yeah, I know that aim, dog.
Oh.
Oh, no.
I lost it. Damn, you gonna rinse it for me?
Oh.
What a fucking stand-up dude.
Oh.
Rinsing it for me? You guys can't really see on camera. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, what the fuck? Was that always there?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know if it was that big though. Oh, fuck, that's not good. Oh, shit, got all up on my face too.
I just got fucking cummed on by this thing, dude.
Oh, baby. So good, baby. So good, so good, so good.
Man, she got a big booty, bro.
All the hoes.
All the hoes invited? so I just got the car cleaned up. It looks way better. So much shinier. I can't believe I've been disrespecting her like that. But now that we got the car all washed up, we're gonna actually be putting on a Tune in Tokyo windshield banner today. So me and Ivan are gonna go ahead and get that started right now. All right, so Ivan's just spraying the Windex right now because you need a wet surface to apply the decal. And we're just gonna go ahead and slap it on, make sure it's even and aligned.
I always recommend letting the decal sit until the Windex dries, or we're just gonna send that.
And there it is, guys. It's on the car. It looks fucking sick. It like fit it perfectly too. It
looks good.
There's like barely any, yeah, the width of it, there's like barely any space on either side. And real quick, last thing that we're gonna do is just change out the license plate frame on the back. It still says import tuner on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this Street Legends license plate frame on right here.
That fire.
Gotta brand my car. It's about that time. This shit looks better anyways, no offense to import tuner.
I'm gonna get some NRG needs to come up and sponsor us with some hardware.
Yeah,
because this thing's it's a little funk.
My rear view camera though.
Oh, I know, that's that.
Low key.
That's that.
Kind of blocks tuningtokyo.com, but
hey,
it's all good, bro.
What the hell? I gotta find this screw hole, man. Gotta screw her in.
All right, guys, and there it is. I'm gonna take her for a spin tomorrow. I got a couple meetings I gotta handle right now. We'll get her back inside, close out this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. We had a pretty hectic day. Our meet was last weekend, if you guys didn't know already. Kind of wiped us out, haven't been able to get any work done on the cars. We're gonna start getting on them again very soon, so stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.
Everything I drop, play.